The eternal quest for youthful skin. In a world where youthful, glowing skin is a coveted treasure, the quest to defy the signs of aging never ceases. From expensive creams to elaborate skincare routines, we're all on a mission to turn back the clock. But what if I told you that nature might just hold the secret to smoother, wrinkle-free skin? Get ready to unveil the plant-based miracle that promises to erase those pesky wrinkles in just 1 week. Meet the remarkable Aloe Vera, introducing our skincare superhero, Aloe Vera. This unassuming succulent has been used for centuries for its incredible healing properties, and it's now making waves in the beauty world as the ultimate wrinkle-fighting ingredient. Aloe Vera's anti-aging arsenal. Aloe Vera is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are known to combat the signs of aging. Here's how it works: its magic. Hydration and collagen boost. Aloe Vera is a moisture powerhouse, and hydrated skin is plump, firm skin. It also stimulates collagen production, the protein responsible for maintaining skin's elasticity. Cell regeneration. The plant contains enzymes that help slow off dead skin cells, promoting the growth of new, youthful ones. Wrinkle reduction. Aloe Vera's antioxidants battle free radicals, preventing further skin damage and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. DI Aloe Vera Wrinkle-Busting Mask. Now that you're convinced of Aloe Vera's wrinkle-erasing prowess, it's time to try it for yourself. Whip up this simple DI mask. Ingredients: 1 fresh aloe vera leaf, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon olive oil. Instructions: slice open the aloe vera leaf and scoop out the gel. Mix the gel with honey and olive oil to create a smooth paste. Apply the mask to your clean face and neck. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. The 1-week challenge. Now comes the exciting part, the 1-week challenge. Use the aloe vera mask every night before bedtime for a week and watch those wrinkles gradually fade away. Don't forget to take before and after photos to track your progress. Maintain your youthful glow. Once you've experienced the magic of aloe vera, there's no turning back. To maintain your youthful glow, incorporate aloe vera-based skincare products into your routine. Look for creams, serums, and moisturizers containing aloe vera to keep those wrinkles at bay. In the relentless pursuit of ageless beauty, nature often provides the most potent solutions. Aloe Vera, the unassuming succulent, has proven time and again that it's a formidable weapon against wrinkles. So why wait? Start your 1-week journey to smoother, more youthful skin today, and let Aloe Vera reveal its remarkable secret to you.